This pattern is worked as a chevron either from a tapered start or from a straight edge converted to a chevron point. This is a 2-row repeat pattern. For row 1 you want to do backward knots on the left hand section and forward knots on the right hand section, which is kind of the opposite of what you'd normally do for a regular chevron. So once you get to the centre, you can drop this thread that was at that side, and then starting at the other side, you want to do your forward knots. So once you get to the centre, whichever colour you knot with, in other words, forward knot or backward knot, these are the colours which will show up. I'm going to consistently knot forward knots all the way down, but you can play about with this if you prefer. And for row 2, you want to knot the way you would normally do for a regular chevron, so I'm going to do all forward knots on the left and all backward knots on the right. And in the centre, again, I'm going to do a forward knot. And you want to repeat these 2 rows all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be.
I've been stuck now, it feels like for ages. It's hard living these days. All the choices from the global solutions, driving away from all the institutions. I've seen it on TV, heard it on the radio. They all need to stop. The rules of the new generation, passing our nation to nation. You can't stop the new sensation. It's like the global.
And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've finished with a braided tie-on at each end, but you could use whichever fastening you prefer. And that is your completed bracelet.